So I have 2 of these smoked sausages and dump them in. Just like that. Make sure they're flat in your crock pot. Okay. Then I'm gonna grab a family size cream of mushroom, dump it right in there. Make sure to scrape out the entire can because we want all of that goodness in there.
I love cream of mushroom.
It's so good.
Yeah, it goes with everybody.
Once you have your cream of mushroom in there, I'm gonna grab some frozen diced potatoes and I'm just gonna sprinkle them right in there. And use the whole bag. Make sure the chunks are broken up in there. You don't want any big chunks in there. Good mix. Make sure that cream of mushroom is all over the smoked sausage and those potatoes. This is gonna be such a yummy and easy breakfast. You just have a few ingredients all in your crock pot and it's gonna be so delicious. Just make sure everything is coated in that cream of mushroom. And if you don't like cream of mushroom, you can use cream of chicken, you can use cream of broccoli, cream of bacon. I saw that at the store today and that sounds delicious. Okay, once you give this a good mix, I'm gonna go ahead and add our cheddar cheese. I'm using the medium cheddar, but you can use sharp. You can even use pepper jack. The great thing about this dish is it's super versatile. You can make it to your liking. Mix in that cheese. We really want everything to be coated in that cream of mushroom. Doesn't that look so good?
It looks delicious. Extra cheese, please.
Yeah. This is gonna be so easy to make and so delicious. Okay, just make sure you mix everything together. That's the trick. Okay, you can even make this as a dinner, to be honest, because all these ingredients are delicious.
I'm ready to eat it.
Now, of course, we gotta go ahead and season. I'm gonna do some pepper. You wanna make sure you're heavy-handed with that pepper because this is a big dish. This is gonna feed about 6 to 7 people for breakfast. Okay, perfect. Then I'm gonna grab some sea salt. Right in there, perfect. Okay, give it one more mix. This is almost done. Doesn't that look amazing?
I can't wait to see it cooked. I want to see that cheese melted. I just want to eat it. I can taste it.
Get those potatoes cooking, and that smoked sausage is literally my favorite. You cannot go wrong with some good smoked sausage. You could even use little smokies if you don't want to cut up a smoked sausage.
Yeah, the cool thing about a smoked sausage is it's already cooked.
Yeah, exactly. So you just gotta let those potatoes cook. Yep. All right, now this dish is ready. Go ahead and put your lid on, and then we're gonna put this on high. All right, so this has been cooking for 2.5 hours on high. I'm gonna go ahead and move that to warm, and let's check this breakfast out. Ooh. Oh my, that cheesy potato goodness. This came out perfect.
It smells so good. Wow.
Okay, let's scoop some right into my dish. I want some more smoked sausage than that. Oh, do you see how creamy that looks?
It looks delicious, babe.
All right, I'm gonna put a little bit of sriracha on mine, but you can obviously skip that if you don't like the extra spice.
Whoa. You like it spicy, huh?
I just love breakfast and sriracha and all that goodness. Okay.
Me too.
Mmm.
Is it good? Are the potatoes fully cooked?
Oh yeah. So good, you guys.